Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we have discussed add to wish list inside a product, means a product we need to add as a wish list. So we have done in last video. In this video we can cover my wish list. Suppose you are clicking here and you can see it my wish list. We don't want to make count, otherwise page speed is going to down. So we don't want to make count. Just you are click. So we need to show the all the listing about the whatever you add inside a my wish list. So we need to show in this video. Before we can start this video, you are new in the channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so you always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website rfsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. And also, do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just you can contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. So let's start now. So first we can check. Suppose you are clicking on the my wish list, you are login, cannot login. Suppose you are login, so it's going to wish list page. Suppose you are not login, so we need to open same as a pop-up. Okay, so let's go back again. Resources, inside views, inside layouts, inside header.blade.php. Just scroll down, so you can see it. Here is my wish list. This is the carts. Just go up, home, shops, English. Here's about us, contact us. Let me search my wish list. So we know. Okay, here there you see it. You see here there. So here we need to make condition same, like if is not empty, so it's going to here. Otherwise need to go else part. Here I can make like an and if. Okay. So here we need to work same as whatever here did inside a logout. So simple, you can copy for this one and you can put it here. Okay, and here you can remove this count. We don't want to put here count, just you can remove. Now you can go back and you can refresh the page, so you can better way understand what we have did. Just remove this count also here. Let's go back again, refresh the page here, so you can see my wish list. I just click here my wish list, so you can see open the pop-up because of you are not a login. Once you can login, so open this page. We also need to change like a wish list to my wish list, like this. So URL work like this. Okay, my wish list. Let's login. Let's login as admin, because admin also users. So just click here and I just add admin @gmail.com and 123456 is the passwords. Once I log in, after I click on the my wish list, so you can see it one URL available. So just we need to create a new URL inside a routes. So app http controller, inside you can go to like a we need to go to routes, inside it go to web.php. Here is the middleware their user, so we need to create here. Just copy above one and you can put down. After you can change the post to get method. After you can change here my wish list. Okay, and also we don't want to work inside user controller, because this controller always work like a product controller. So we need to go like a product controller, whatever place we have did inside a. So yes is where did, just go up like category, product, add to cart, searcher. So we did front, product front, means we need to work inside a product front controller. Like this is the product front, we have created alias. So product controller, you can see it here. One is the admin side controller there, one is the outside controller there. So we have created here alias. So alias controller we need to call here product front. Now we need to go to product front, means product controller. Inside we need to create a new function. Product controller, here is the get product search there. So we need to create here is a new function. Function my wish list, and I can make return view resources. Inside you can see it like a product inside we need to create a new file. So just you can make a product, because we don't want to make like inside user, we need to flow wise work. So product inside need to work my wish list. Now we need to create a new file inside the products. So list.blade.php. Okay, so before we make condition, after we create new routes, and now is a routes against we have call one function like a my wish list, and after we create a return view. Same thing you can just copy above and paste here, meta title, meta description, and you can put it here my wish list. We can make all dynamics, so don't worry about that. Okay, inside a admin side you can change it like these words. Sometimes some user like different way is like this reasons, and here I can pass like a data. Now we are going to my wish list. Just you can copy like list.blade.php files. Once you can copy and you can put here. Now we don't want to need any filtering, no need to need a change sort bys. Just you can remove. We don't want to need anything. Just color we don't need, filter form we don't need, load more. Just you can leave it load more. Load more we also no need. Let's leave it load more. We can make like a also page ignition. I think no need page ignition because wish list inside you are at like 100 product maximum. You are not add more products, so we don't need a load more also. Okay, so just you can remove also slider we don't need. You can remove it all. See, just means clean the code. So just you can clean, and also I can remove these files we don't need anymore. Okay, just go up and we can check anything need to remove. So yes, we need to remove also here like condition. So all condition you can remove, and here you can change my wish list. Just you can change to my wish list, whatever you are provide is spelling like a my wish list. Let's remove all these spaces so look like a goods. Now here is their shop subcategory is there, we don't want to need. Just you can remove all, and here you can put like a my wish list on my wish list. Okay, means we need to make clean. Let's make go showing per page. This is the you can leave it, so it's good for you. So we know. Okay, and select like short by we don't need. Just remove short by. We don't want to make anything about short by. Just remove. Here is a get ajax, like this data you are getting. Okay, so here we make it like a remove this one also we don't need. Here is a filter from there aside, so we also don't need. So just you can remove all the filter from here. Okay, and here is a there is the data we need to put. Here you can make 12. Right now we don't need like a load more, so just you can remove also load more. We don't want to need like a get product like products right now, so just remove. Okay, so let's go back and we can refresh the page so we can check how it looks. Show just I refresh the page so you can see like my wish list. Here's a home, my wish list means this page. Okay, so it's working very well. Let's make control z, so it's showing like this. We can make it. Now we need to go to product controller. Inside we need to create a new function, dollar data get product. Inside product model get my wish list, otherwise get my wish list, whatever function name do you want to like you can do it. Get my wish list, and here you can pass like a your id auth users id, because of authentication id wise we need to get the data. Now you can go to product models. So just you can use go to definition, otherwise do you want to go so app inside model inside you can see product models. Here you can create a new function, same like you can copy paste this function and you can put here. And we don't want to use like any parameter about category, just you can use like a user id, and here you can pass like this. Now just copy bottom one and just put here. Okay, and we don't want to need any filtering, just remove all the filtering here. Just you can remove the filtering, and after you can make a return. So whatever did like a returns. So let's remove this is the like we don't have filtering this reasons, just remove and clean the codes. Here is all join query there. Now we need to make another join query inside wish list. So just need to go to here, and here you can see it like ecommerce.com, and ecommerce.com our database inside we have created a new page, sorry new tables product wish list. Just copy and I can put like a product wish list dot id, product wish list dot product id, and also here I can put like a product dot product id, and here is a made a join query. Now we need to make another where query, where user id again. So product wish list dot user id, same thing you can see it here. You see user id like here there, this user id I made a connection, so we are getting only this data, we don't want to get any other data. Okay, so query is done. Let's refresh the page and we can check it's working, not working. Just go back again, refresh the page here, so you can see it is working, not. So error there, so we can solve the error, so don't worry about that. Yes, 100% there error, use auth. So just you can make here use auth because we have not declared for this library. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here, and now we can get the response like showing 3 in 30, like right now is showing the 3 products. So we need to concat, means here we need to add a files. Just go to again my wish list, and here we need to call our file like a list. So same thing you did list.blade.php, inside whatever file you call here, just copy and put here. So we don't want to work like a 2 times. We have already created one common file. You can see like get products. So this is the file we need to call again here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see 3 products showing. So it's working very well. Also you can see it like, and like suppose I click here, so automatic everything works. Just I refresh, so you can see this is the product is removed because of no any wishlist inside product there. And we don't want to need like this is the showing product. I don't think we need. We know okay what is our product, and we don't need any pagination. Suppose you are adding wish list, you are at 100 product, 200 product, so enough. I don't think people can add like 500, 1000 like a, just we can make like a get. Otherwise do you need a pagination, so leave it pagination, I have no issue. Just go to admin side, and you can go to color inside list.blade.php, not there here pagination, product inside list.blade.php. You can go and copy this pagination, and you can put here. Just create another class for this one, and you can put it here. Now here you can change get record to get products. So pagination also done. So let's go back again, refresh the page here. So no any errors. Let's try to pagination. So we can put here 1. So we can check this pagination work cannot work. Okay, so let's refresh the page. 100% pagination work. You can see 1 and 2. You see this is working very well. So also pagination done. So you can see list.blade.php file direct we have call. This is an automatic data get, like here you can see it. We don't need this is the get product ajax, so just you can remove and you can put directly. And also you can see this files already ready, so we don't want to work inside anything for this file. Suppose you know you need to do like own way, just you can follow like this and you can write the codes, otherwise everything here there. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here again, and we need to add another products inside a wish list. So just go to like shops, fashions, and here some products available. So we can just you can do like add to wish list, add to wish list, add to wish list. Also you can do it add to wish list. Now you can go back my wish list, so you can see it is available. After you can do detail page, whatever do you want to go, you can do it here. Okay, so this is that done about the wish list. So we have created 2 video. First video like a add to wish list, and second video we did like a my wish list, user my wish list in Laravel, means list of the products. So next video we can work is a review, because review is remaining. So just we can go to admin side, and here their orders. So we need to check what order is completed. Suppose completed order inside, we need to make button here, make a review. He can see the pop-up, he provide the stars, and he can write one good comment, whatever comment he can write, and we can submit into database. Once submit, after admin can approve, and once admin approve, after you can see inside the products. Like this we can do it in here. Okay, and also we need to put like a whatever comment do you want to like, and do you want to show inside a header like here, like anywhere we can show like once. So do you want to show here product comment, so we can show it also. Okay, so I hope you are clear about in this video like my wish list. Suppose do you have any question about my wish list, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, means error solution. And thank you for watching error solutions.